Hi, I'm David, and I want to update you on a significant event that happened yesterday for our social housing building. It's a combination of a couple of years of work by a consortia called Tai Arachid. It's 23 social landlords came together, and what they wanted to develop was a pattern book, they call it. So what is a pattern book? It's a standard model of building a one-bed flat, two-bed flat, a two-bed house, three-bed house. And the idea was, if you have a pattern book that's consistent, the builders know what they're building to, the planners know what they're signing off, the housing associations in that consortia, 23 landlords, are putting a consistent tender out. And the idea is we should be able to build new social housing cheaper, faster, more consistent, and to a agreed good standard. So that's the theory. So there was a launch in Swansea. We were asking that question, what's in it for tenants or why? And what I'd say is why is we want more social housing. And so we need to make it faster, cheaper and consistent. And this is a way of doing that. The other thing is about standards as well. I was really impressed with some of the standards that have gone into this in terms of thermal insulation, heating systems, air tightness, all those things that make a warm, wonderful home. So I think it's one of those watch those spaces. There's going to be a number of landlords who are going to start testing building new homes in this new style, in this new pattern book. It's not going to suit every site, but the idea is to see how this goes, and there's working groups that will track it. And we're asking questions about how the tenant voice is going to be in that, how a tenant's feedback going to improve and evolve the pattern book. And so, trust us, we'll be asking those questions. We'll be looking for the insight. We'll be knocking those doors and making sure that the tenant experience is at the heart of evolving this new way of building new homes. So we'll keep you in touch, and diolch yn fawr.